from Gitex 2025. I'm here together with Shabel Fadel, Technical Sales Manager EMEA at Enghouse. Hello, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
With 5G gaining traction across different regions, how are you adapting your value-added services to stay relevant and create real impact in this next generation communication service?
Again, thanks for having me here. So in Enghouse Network, we've adopted the shift to the 5G network by changing the way our products from functionality point of view and from deployment point of view. So from functionality point of view, we invested heavily in new key network functions in the core network. So for example, we developed SMSF, SMS function, cell broadcast function, and which are key network functions to deliver messaging through the 5G core networks. From the deployment point of view, we uplifted all our VAS portfolio products to be cloud native, ready for the cloud native deployment. So they are now ready as CNFs. They are available as CNFs to be deployed in a containerized environment. Apart from technology, we are also focusing on next generation use cases like IoT messaging, A2P monetization.
Service assurance is such a broad topic. So how does your approach to fault management help operators to stay ahead, especially when dealing with increasing complex networks and multiple vendors?
So our key drive here is automation. So if you think about it, there are no new faults in the network. So everything that occurs in the network has likely already happened before. So what we do here is we use AI to correlate, to continuously monitor all those fault patterns and correlate them with topology changes, and then we'll be able to pinpoint the exact root cause of each fault and link it to the specific service. On the other hand, we are also using AI to introduce conversational user interface, how the user interact with the network. So, for example, you can ask how many sites are currently down in my network. Do I have enough capacity or bandwidth to be able to backhaul a new 30 megabits links between site X and hub Y, for example. So this is our
So AI is a big accelerator for your services.
Yes.
Right. So spam and grey routes are still a big issue in SMS. How is Enghouse using AI to improve detection and stay one step ahead of evolving threats?
So in the Enghouse network, specifically in our Smart Guard solution, we use AI in two different ways. We use it as pattern matching or pattern recognition, and also as adaptive learning or historical learning. So we use machine learning to recognize all the spam patterns, the fraud patterns, and then we also use contextual data. So we use historical data from the core network operator to learn from the context of the message, and then we continuously refine those results to be able to block new frauds. Something like regular rules-based firewalls they struggle with. So with AI and machine learning, we are always one step ahead of fraudsters and spammers.
Okay. So when we look at real-time threat detection, it's very critical, and user experience as well. So how do you strike the balance between stopping the bad guys, so-called, and keeping things running smoothly for the end user?
Yeah, exactly. So that's what I was explaining before. So it's like when you take the message in its context, not the content itself, not looking for a keyword itself. So you take the message in its context, like the traffic behavior, the sender history, like you correlate all this data together, so you'll be able to catch the bad guy and to block the bad messages, and not in a rule-based system. If a message matches a certain keyword, it will be blocked. So it might be a legitimate message, but it will be blocked. With the machine learning, we look at the context of the message, and we look at the historical data from the operator, and we don't use our own historical data. We teach the system from data from the operator to be able to build a contextual behavioral
very interesting
pattern.
So looking especially at Africa, where both opportunity and challenges are high, what we know. So how is Enghouse working with local operators to bring scalable, reliable service assurance and SMS firewall solutions to the table?
At Enghouse Networks, we recognize like the importance and the agility and the growth of the African market. Like we know that the subscribers are growing very fast, and operators, they need to adapt rapidly to this growth. And so we're helping not only the operators, but also we work with banks, with government entities, and we provide solutions like service assurance, like SMS firewall, but also like MVNO enablement system. We have a large portfolio of products for all those entities. So how we do that? By always adapting our solution to the 5G, to the new deployment methods. So we enable our partners, our customers to be fast and to deliver a new solution fast to the network, to their subscribers and to their users.
Right. So it's more about creating the most agile platform and environment for an operator.
And also like to adopt the newest technologies, the newest deployment methods, and we deploy our solutions on cloud, on premises, on hybrid cloud. So we give choice to the market, because in Africa we know there is growth in urban areas, but also in rural areas. So sometimes they need a mix between cloud and
demand is quite
prime.
Different.
Yes, so we provide solutions in both deployment methods. So whatever the customer needs, we have a solution that can be deployed in any way they.
So you have the right toolbox for any demand
for any
of the
demand.
continent.
Exactly.
All right. Thank you very much. Thanks for your time. It was
Thank
a pleasure
you.
talking to you.
And please, for more information, for more updates, please join us at enghousenetworks.com, and also follow us on LinkedIn.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Thank you for this opportunity.
You're welcome.